About
Kurungi plus.
embeerera
Bana ndi kurungi.
webale kupowa.
Nayo wale fit.
Embeera emerera actually in general.
General things are going well. We are learning. And at least there's something done in our lives. Yeah, and I hope, God willing, at the end of this course, we shall be somewhere we have reached. Yeah.
Challenges kizi wakaitirana kuruga mwatandike kwega.
The challenges that I've met here, except the place, you see the way the weather is. Actually, the weather is not favoring us. The time, sometimes it comes the time where we need to learn more. Then the rain comes in, so you find that we are not we're not doing well in that time.
A message to the sponsor?
The message to the sponsor that we are praying that if God willing, we can have a good shelter where we can, even if it is raining, we can still continue working. Yeah, it is better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still, it's a courtesy of Rogers Byamukama Skilling Project. The best is still doing it out at St. Kizito. This is the day one training. You can see some of the ladies, they're engaging themselves in the skilling project. Otherwise, we'd like to thank Rogers Byamukama Araali, Omuntu for the best that is doing by making the youth developing through acquiring the skills. At St. Kizito Vocational Preparation Center, Rogers Byamukama Skilling Project, we have some of the students, those who are attending classes. Abwire bono nyina mwana mwisiki aliomu abege abetwina mu welding class. Madam Lota embeerera eta obwire bukubagana bukyali sometimes. Situation in koko kulora kuruga maizire kwika today. How is the situation? Bwire nwakwerize diriso gikora. Message to the sponsor.
The sponsor
Nkaiwe halamu kusomera takumara kumaisa enamba ya kumukani munihireka yarabyamu
and of which to some almost bulikiro abukola kati dividing amabandi kya kabiri kya kasatu kya kana like that.
Oh, bakwetoa amabara gawe oikaranka. Still, she's one of the students abalimo welding class. At the other side, nyinayo mwana mwisiki na wali mkwega ageza okuokya ebyoma kumumurora, but the teacher ageza kumuguiding through to see how they do things.